Hello everyone. Today I am excited to talk about Amazon Bedrock, an AWS service that helps developers to build and integrate services using generative AI. So, first of all, what is Bedrock? Imagine you are creating an app that helps students learn math by generating personalized practice problems and step-by-step solutions. Building such an app traditionally requires significant AI expertise, servers, and infrastructure to manage large AI models. But with Amazon Bedrock, you can access pre-trained AI tools and models so you don't have to start from scratch. Bedrock simplifies this by letting you use advanced AI capabilities like a pre-trained teacher who knows maths without needing to manage any complicated technical setup. Bedrock also supports integration. Imagine an education app that generates personalized math quizzes for students and stores their progress. Here is how Bedrock integrates with Lambda, S3 and Elasticsearch to make this happen. Let's take an example for this. Suppose a student requests a 10-question algebra quiz. AWS Lambda sends this request to Bedrock, which uses Claude 3.5 to generate the quiz and solution. The generated quiz and solution are saved in Amazon S3, ensuring secure storage. The data is also indexed in Elasticsearch, making quizzes searchable by topic or difficulty. Teachers can easily find quizzes on algebra generated in the last week. This is how integration can help users to increase features. Let us see how Bedrock works for our app. First of all, we have to choose a model. In Bedrock, you begin by selecting a foundation model that suits your app needs. For example, if you need a model that could take students' input, like explain the difference between an equation and an expression, provide a clear and concise answer tailored to their level of understanding. Then, we might choose a language model like Claude 3.5, which excels in understanding in generating human-like text. Step 2 is fine-tune the model. It means that your AI model must align with the specific data sets or tasks. Let's say our learning app caters to students from grade 1 to 12. Then we train the model with data sets such as elementary maths, fractions and decimals, and trigonometry and algebra. Step 3 is integrate the model. Once your model is ready, you integrate it into your app using Bedrock's API. Suppose a student opens the app and types generate a practice test on trigonometry. The app sends this request to the AI model through Bedrock's API. The AI processes the request and generates a personalized test with a mix of easy, medium, and challenging questions along with solutions. Now, step 4 is ensure scalability. One of the Bedrock's biggest advantages is scalability. Imagine it's your exam season and thousands of students across the country are using your app at the same time. Then Bedrock automatically scales its infrastructure to handle the increased load without any performance issues. Bedrock offers a variety of models like Claude 3.5, Amazon Nova, each designed for a specific task. Like for a app, Claude 3.5 could be used to provide conversational explanation for math problems like a chatbot teacher, whereas Amazon Nova might generate visual aids like step-by-step diagrams to help students to understand geometry concepts. This flexibility allows you to tailor the app to different student needs. Now, what are the advantages of Bedrock? So the very first advantage of Bedrock is scalability. As I just explained, with Bedrock, scalability is built in. This service automatically adjusts to handle any number of users without requiring extra configurations. This reliability makes the app trustworthy for students who rely on it during critical times. The second feature is ease of use. Developing an AI-powered app typically requires a lot of expertise in machine learning and infrastructure. But with Bedrock, developers don't need to worry about building AI from scratch or managing servers. Simply select pre-trained models like Claude 3.5, integrate them using Bedrock's APIs, and focus on designing the app interface and features. Bedrock makes advanced AI tools accessible even for non-tech experts. The last feature of Amazon Bedrock is customization. Customization ensures the AI is not only powerful but also highly relevant to each user's needs. Like every educational institution has its own curriculum. A one size fits all AI model might not work for every user. But with Bedrock, you can fine tune the pre trained models to match specific needs. So, thank you so much, and we will meet in the next session.